Hello, my name is the Legend Tuba Guy. You're watching Tuba Makes another video so quickly. I know, it's crazy. Today I wanted to talk about something that if you're in the 3D printing space, if you're on any of the 3D printing subreddits, you've likely seen so many people talk about this already, and that is the drama surrounding the Elegoo Centauri Carbon. Now, why would I, a lowly other white man in his 30s on the internet, want to make a video about the drama that's already been talked about a billion times? I don't see a lot of people talking about the partnership between Elegoo and Chitu systems, potentially explaining some of the strangeness and lack of communication that we're getting from Elegoo. There is a partnership there, and I think it's worth talking about it. I want to make a disclaimer before we get into the video, because throughout the rest of this video, it might seem like I'm apologizing for Elegoo or trying to get you to think that they don't deserve the criticism that they're getting. None of that is true. If you bought the Centauri Carbon because they promised you that there was going to be multicolor capable system that works with the Centauri Carbon coming out in Q3 of 2025, which is what they promised, you know, back in April, March, whenever this was released, February even. The product page says that there was going to be a multicolor system coming out in Q3 of 2025. So if you bought that with that in mind, I think that it is totally fair, totally valid for you to be angry and upset with Elegoo. I don't think the partnership with Chitu Systems resolves them of that at all. Let's get into it. If you have been living under a rock, Elegoo came out with an update on the Centauri Carbon series, essentially saying that the multicolor capable system has been delayed, potentially indefinitely. They haven't given us a date. They haven't shown us any progress, videos or pictures or anything, except they came out with the Centauri Carbon 2. And that was when alarm bells started going off for people on the Elegoo subreddit. My God, the Elegoo subreddit. The Centauri Carbon 2 has the Elegoo Canvas system, which looks a lot like FlashForge's 85X system. It's got the 4 spools on the side of the printer and then a little hub thing up top that moves filament in and out to the print head. It also rearranges a lot of the internals of the Centauri Carbon. For example, the poop chute is on the other side of the printer and a few other odds and ends things. So let's go ahead and read the notice that they sent out, and we'll talk about each one of these points. Dear Centauri Carbon users, thank you for your continued support for Centauri Carbon since its launch. We've received positive feedback on its user-friendliness, printing speed, and quality. Additionally, the multicolor add-on has been highly anticipated. Based on recent feedback, we hereby share with you the following updates. So to me, this says that Elegoo knows that people are getting antsy about where the multicolor system is, and they wanted to release a statement kind of resolving those fears. Since last year, our engineering team has been working on multicolor printing for Centauri Carbon. Due to some limitation of the hardware, so far the developing multicolor system has not yet delivered a performance that meets our expectation. We cannot guarantee a release date for the multicolor system so far. We understand this news may disappoint our Centauri Carbon users. To express our sincere appreciation for your trust and understanding, we're providing the following exclusive benefit for users who have already purchased the Centauri Carbon. Then there's 3 different options for you. One is a $50 coupon if you buy over $100 worth of filament, essentially making it half off. One is an extended 1-year warranty extension to your current Centauri Carbon. And then option C, an $80 coupon to your purchase of Centauri Carbon 2, available in Q1, supposedly, of 2026. Elegoo has listened to a lot of consumer feedback in the Centauri Carbon life cycle. We all said that the light over the camera sucked. What did they do? They moved it to an LED strip at the top of the printer. We said, hey, the cable going to the hot end the strain relief is not good enough, and there's cracks in the cable. And they said, okay, we're going to change that. And they now have like a whole hot end cable replacement program that you can go through. There's also some minor little tweaks, like increasing the thickness of the sidewalls, I believe. And also there's now a port on the back of the printer. So I ordered my 2 Centauri Carbons within the first 2 minutes of the ordering being open. That's how I got 2 right away in that first batch. Mine does not have the multicolor port on the back of the printer. So I've always wondered, how the hell are they going to do this? I have no idea. Option B, a 365-day warranty extension for your Centauri Carbon, excluding consumable parts. I'm going to be honest, as somebody who runs a business with these machines, a $300 machine in a business setting, we're writing that off in 1 year. That machine is written off in 1 year. I'm not putting it across multiple years. So the usable lifespan of this in my business is a year essentially, right? And if it lasts longer than that, that's just all gravy to me. So we like that, but I'm not going to get a 365-day warranty extension. That feels like just I don't care about that. Option C, an $80 coupon to your purchase of a Centauri Carbon 2 combo. You're asking people to pay more money to apologize to them, which is strange. I am going to take this option. As an owner of 2 Centauri Carbons, I'm taking option C. I'm going to take option C doubly. Hopefully they will let me do that, $80 for each of them, and apply it to a Centauri Carbon 2 combo. I'm guessing that a Centauri Carbon 2 combo also is of similar value proposition that the original Centauri Carbon was. So $80 off of that, I can't imagine Elegoo's making any money at that point. So I'm taking option C. I think that that's likely, if you want to stick it to Elegoo, that or option A are likely the key ways you can stick it to Elegoo and get your money back out of them. But it does feel weird that you have to spend money in order to do that. I've seen some talk online of people saying they should take all of them back, of people that are upset, and refund them all of their money. No, they're never going to do that. They're never going to do that because that would cost a gajillion dollars, right? Like they're not going to ever do that. It would probably bankrupt the company, to be quite honest with you, right? Like if they're not really making any money on these machines to begin with, and then you're going to ask them to take back hundreds, thousands of Centauri Carbons, $30 for each of those, ain't no way. Ain't no way that's happening. Ain't no way that's happening. Plus refunding your money? Absolutely not. So they're never going to do that. They were never going to do that. I think it's unreasonable to ask for them to do that. I'm sure this video is getting very long, so if you're still here, I appreciate you, love you. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we'd love to see you over on the Discord. Let's get into the partnership with Chitu Systems now. I have looked and tried to find information about the Chitu Elegoo partnership, and I can't find much. Who knows what the actual agreement is? I'm sure that is a contractually kept secret, but if you're unaware, Chitu Systems makes the electronics and software behind many of your budget Chinese 3D printers. So Creality uses them, Anycubic uses them, and Elegoo uses them. Elegoo uses them for the Saturn IV series, I believe the Mars V series, and going back maybe all the way to like Saturn II. Maybe before that, I don't really know, to be honest with you. But if you open up the back of a Saturn IV Ultra, you will see a Chitu motherboard in there. So they've literally just bought a Chitu motherboard, and I think that motherboard gets used in other printers also. They make the software that runs that whole machine. Similarly with the Centauri Carbon. So again, I don't know the specifics of the partnership, but I do know that Chitu makes the software that's running on the Centauri Carbon. So you have to start thinking that like, okay, well, if they're coming out with a multicolor system for the Centauri Carbon, it's likely that the hardware teams have to be very closely invested with the software teams, right? And if they're talking about it's been very difficult to get the multicolor system working reliably with the Centauri Carbon, they said limitation of hardware, but it could be both, right? But we're seeing on the Centauri Carbon 2, who knows what the actual issues are. My point in saying this is that I feel like there's a lot of frustration on Elegoo with communication. And oftentimes they'll say things like our R&D team, our engineering team, our blah, blah, blah. And they'll just kind of like hand wave over it. I wonder if a lot of those times they're talking about Chitu. So who knows, when you comment on a thread on the Elegoo subreddit and Elegoo official or the other Elegoo employee, I think his name is Owen, responds back to you and says something like that, my guess is they're talking about Chitu Systems, and they're having to play middleman between you and Chitu Systems. Again, I don't think this absolves Elegoo of their responsibility. I don't think it absolves them of you being upset with them. I think that's totally fine. But I think that likely contributes to a lot of the miscommunication and poor communication that we're seeing from Elegoo regarding a lot of these things. If you're actually working on a multicolor system for the Centauri Carbon, show us. Like, what does that look like? I would love to know, what limitations are you running into? I think that little olive branch would go a long ways with the community. I think the community just hates being in the dark about all of this. You just saying, oh, it's delayed, and we're still working on it though, but it's just delayed. And also here's some options that make it so that we are definitely losing money on some of these products. It's like, why are you doing that? Are you doing that because you don't want people in the EU to start making a ruckus about you having to take back their machines based on false promises? And I think Elegoo could do a lot better on this. One of the things that I wanted to point out, though, I'll play devil's advocate a little bit on Elegoo's side. The production run changes for the Centauri Carbon are super interesting. So moving from the little LED light above the camera to the LED strip at the top, that costs money. Moving to thicker side panels, that costs money. Installing the port on the back of the printer, that costs money. There's a YouTuber named 3D Print Rancher, and he's got a little talk, a little rant section in his video about the changes that I'm mentioning here. And he basically says exactly what I agree with, is that it's likely they are working on it, or at least were working on it, because they wouldn't invest the money to update tooling and things if they weren't actually working on it. They're not just going to install a port on the back of the machine just for shits and giggles and to make us all think that multicolor is coming. No, like they're probably actually were working on it and potentially still are working on it. So I've just got a little update post from Reddit, from Elegoo Official, posted 11 days ago saying, "Hi Elegoo friends, thanks so much for your feedback. Just to clarify, we didn't stop Centauri Carbon multicolor system development. It's still in progress. We're working to get it right. We know you've waited patiently and we really appreciate your support as always. That's why we are launching this loyalty program. We hope to share an update on the multicolor system soon. Thanks for being with Elegoo." I don't think that they would change tooling during a product life cycle like they have with the Centauri Carbon if they weren't actually working on a solution for this. I don't think that they would release the Centauri Carbon 2 with a multicolor system if they weren't working on this. It just doesn't really make sense, I don't think. I can't believe that they lied. And I feel like that's a lot of what in the YouTube videos I'm watching are saying, is that Elegoo lied to you. I don't think so. I don't think Elegoo lied to you. I think they're just really bad at communicating. Elegoo, if you're watching this or listening to this, I think that it would go miles for you to have someone not in China that can act as a PR person. Elegoo, you need somebody like that to, I think, help coach you through how your responses could be tailored a little bit better to be received better outside of China. Clearly, I think that Chinese companies operate a certain way. I think they communicate a certain way, especially with this Chitu partnership and acting as a middleman here. I think that Elegoo would do a lot better if they had some more non-China PR person or people. The last thing I want to touch on is the Elegoo subreddit. My God, what a dumpster fire that is. If you're coming from the Elegoo subreddit, hello. Leave your nasty comment in the comment section down below. There's so many people that are ready to pitchfork and flame this company. I continue to believe that Elegoo is like the most shit on 3D printing company out there, and I don't really understand why. They're still delivering incredible value. Is it a rug pull? I don't feel like it's a rug pull. I feel like it's terrible communication. You're not doing anything revolutionary, and I personally don't want you to, Elegoo, to be quite honest with you. Elegoo, you are very good at looking what else is going on in the industry and delivering it in a package for incredible value. And that's what I want you to continue doing. But at the same time, just tell us what you're up to. Just tell us what you're doing. And you would stop being flamed on your own subreddit. You know, these people that are like, I'm never going to buy another Elegoo product. This is my last purchase from Elegoo ever. I don't believe you. I don't believe you at all. And I find it weird to go on a subreddit and be like, I'm buying a bamboo now. I can't believe you've done this. I'm buying a bamboo. Okay? They don't care. Let me tell you what's going to happen. Elegoo is going to release a Centauri Carbon 2 combo. And dumb people like me are going to buy them in droves. Buy them in droves because the value that they're going to deliver is going to be massive. And they will continue to be bought. So whether you buy them or not is a totally personal decision, up to you. I support you either way, but they deliver incredible value. And so they will continue to sell and move units. I guarantee it. You are hearing I think, minority of users. I think that there's a lot of people out in the space that know that you bought an incredibly cheap enclosed Core XY single filament printer for $300 with the promise of multicolor printing, and then Elegoo failed to deliver on that promise. In conclusion, if you're upset by this, I totally understand. I think that's totally fair and valid. And I think that If you don't like the options they're giving you, I totally understand that. I feel like it's kind of weird that you have to spend money in order for them to apologize to you in a monetary way for having failed to deliver on something that they said was going to happen. However, I would just give a little bit of pause and wait to see what Elegoo does. Wait to see what they do. Don't listen to what they say. Don't listen to what any of these companies say. Just watch what they do. Watch what they deliver. Watch the updates they make. Watch the production changes they make. That to me is what matters. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you dislike this video, which I imagine some of you do, hit that dislike button. I would love to hear from you in the comments section down below. If you want more content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.